So hello everyone, today I am uploading my this video, and this is my first video on my YouTube channel. And I don't know he and I'm not like, I don't know it will get reviews on views or not, but I am not uploading videos for views. I am uploading videos for my English, because I have learned English for a long time. And like, not for a long time, but I have been learning. So I have thought that if I learn those things, so I can upload on video on YouTube, and it make me more fluent in speaking English, because whenever I speak on YouTube, so I will not do any mistake, because I know that there are many people, they can catch my mistake. So before speaking, I will think first, and I will thought about the thinking. I will think about that what am I about to say. So that the thing which is make me like, you should do this, you should start doing that. And like, I'm not I'm maybe I think that I will choose one word day on a daily basis, like, and I upload on a daily basis only for 10 minutes. And I will choose one and two topic randomly, when whatever words come in my mind, whatever the thing is come in my mind, I'll start speaking on that. Like, if I talk about that, like, now this time diary is in front of me, so I start speaking on that like, diary is really important for us, because there are many people, they don't have people around them, and they keep thinking, they keep overthinking, they don't need to say anybody, but because they have diary, so they can write on that. And I think the diary is really close to me. This is my heart, because there are many things, like, we can't make our parents, our family stressful, because these things keeps going on in our minds, and we are not able to share with our parents, with our family, with our friends, sometimes with our friends also. So we can write on that, and I keep doing this, and that's why I'm saying. And like, you can, like, I am 100% sure, if you writing this and if you start doing this, so you are also be like, stress free. So I'm doing that. And diary is really related to, and there are many people, they want to manage their time, so they write on diary. And there are many people, they want to manage their finance, so they also write on diary. So I think diary is a very important part of our life. So if you have diary, so that's a good thing. And if you don't have friends and family, and you are not like, you keep thinking, keep thinking many things in your mind, and like, you are not able to do your study, you are not able to do your work because of your thinking. So you can write on your notebook, your diary. Like, there are many people who don't have diary, and they keep thinking. So from now, I don't know, from now you can start writing this. And I think this is good thing, and this is not a bad thing. You are not hurting somebody as. And if you think that if I write my diary and somebody read that diary, so what will happen? So you keep your diary in a somewhere where nobody can go, nobody can touch. You can keep your diary by with your own self. You can keep your diary on your bag, on your somewhere where you keep your stuffs. So I think this makes you more stress free. And so this is the thing which I really want to share you, that these type of video I really want to make, because this can be helpful for you guys also. Like, you can relate me, and you can understand how to speak on a particular topic. And randomly, if you don't like, there are many people, they say that they don't have any partner to speak. So I really want to share this video to those people they don't have partners, so they can start speaking like this. And if they start doing that, so maybe they can see their own self, that how they speak, how they express their views on any topic. So this is the good thing. I am really want to do that, and I keep thinking for a long time that I am doing that. I will do that. So finally the day is coming, and I am I am really excited for doing this. But I really want that this excitement keep in me. Like, because whenever I feel sad, I feel stressful, so I don't want to make videos. But because of this YouTube channel, and because of if I make this channel, so maybe I will consistent in my speaking. So this, or if you, there whatever the thing, if you are consistent in that thing, like your work, your education, your studies, so you are really like, you can see improvement in yourself. That's why I am doing this. Because if I have YouTube channel, like it is like foundation on me, that if I have YouTube channel, so I have to make video, I have to upload video. So because of this I make video, and after making video, I will improve myself in speaking. So you all can do this, because because without speaking, like, you can learn multiple things like grammar, everything, but you can't speak. Without speaking, you can't do anything. You can't be fluent. So for becoming fluent, you have to start now. And thank you so much. And this is, I know this is, I think, approx 7 to 6 minute video, but this is my first video, so I really want to make it short. And after today I will upload 10 minutes video on a topic which comes in my mind randomly. So thank you so much guys, and please love and support me, and thank you so much.